Frank here from Lloyds Classic Car Auctions. It is my absolute pleasure to introduce this 1968 Shelby Eleanor Mustang GT500 Tribute. And folks, it truly is one of a kind. Just an unbelievable car. So folks, let's have a listen to it roar. It is just a rocket. And it's just so much fun to drive, and it is one of the best that we've seen. Just every nut and bolt, fully restored, built from the ground up, and only used obviously all the best parts and all the correct parts. It's running a monster 427 cubic inch race prepped engine. It's got the Victor Junior intake, Cobra 427 aluminium valve covers, MSD distributor, 220cc AFR heads, built for boost for NOS, Willwood brakes, all the bells and whistles you can imagine, including a genuine Shelby GT500 steering wheel. It's as good as you're going to get. It's as close to the real thing as you can really get. As you can see, we've got the Go Baby Go button, the nitrous, producing 550 to 600 horsepower, street legal, fully registered in Queensland, but obviously will be sold unregistered. And wow, I'm just like a kid in a candy shop. I can't believe I get to drive this thing today. So folks, if you wanted to have a bid on it, go to www.lloydsauctions.com.au if you're in the market for one of these sort of cars, or give us a call, 1-800-456-588 if you've got any questions for the team. Going under the hammer, Saturday the 25th of June, starting at 10 a.m. Folks, we'll see you at the auction.